110 years after the launch of the original, Titanic 3 will set sail on the same path as her namesake.
A once-in-a-lifetime trip.
Systems check.
All systems go, Captain.
Right now, we are below the deck.
Arriving on 0 mark, prepare for all stop.
All stop.
We're over the graves of thousands of people.
Hey.
From beneath in their watery grave.
The ship's entertainment.
I'm getting a really bad vibe.
Come forth and hear me!
Bridge to Captain Rose.
Michael?
What is it, Captain?
We're moving.
No one's driving.
Someone is!
What's that?
The ship is haunted!
We're still on a collision course with the iceberg.
We need to get out of here now!
Mayday, mayday, this is Titanic 3. We're going down.